Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 10 Mark III, and today I'll show you how to enable the Talkback option. Now, to get started, you will want to open up your settings. From here, scroll down to Accessibility and find Talkback, which for me is right over here. And then we're gonna select Use Service.
Talkback on. Welcome to Talkback. Welcome to Talkback, page 1 of 5. Talkback is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken feed, music volume.
Oops. There we go. So I just muted it so I can actually talk. As you can see, it will basically read everything that is selected. So this green window right now is the selected area, and it would go through the entire thing reading it. Now when you want to go to the next page, you would just tap right here, double tap it to confirm it, and again it will now start reading page 2 of 5. You can tap right here and it will start reading this. Now because it's muted, you can't really hear it right now, but that's basically what it will do. Additionally, if you're using gesture navigation like I am, you will need to use 2 fingers to actually activate it, as you can see. Also, scrolling through pages doesn't actually function as it used to with single finger. So again, you have to use 2 fingers for every action that previously used only 1. And every time you scroll to a page, it will select first thing, which for, as an example, this page, it's Netflix, and it will tell you that it is now selected Netflix. And then you just double tap and it opens it up. Again, select OK, so you can tap on it. In this case, it's just selected 3 dots, so you would want to choose something else, which you do basically by swipes or by basically pressing on it. So you can just keep on swiping and it will reselect whatever it is. And when you want to accept it, double tap on it. So that is basically the simplest way of navigating through the device, or at least like the base version of it. There is most likely more, but I have never actually used this feature in depth, so I don't know what else it holds. I know that when you want to pause this feature or turn it off, you get to hold volume up and down at the same time, and this will suspend it. There we go. Turn on Talkback, so we want to now select is turn on. No, wait, that was weirdly written. Let me try that again. Okay, now it's off. I actually could hear it. It says Talkback off. Now there is a chance that this only suspends it. I don't exactly know which one is it, because it does say Talkback off, but I believe if you reboot the device, it will re-enable it again. So I'm gonna quickly go into Accessibility, Talkback, and it looks like it actually is off, so it shouldn't turn on. But anyway, that is where you can find this option, also how you can use this. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.